Alright, so brand new Bladee just dropped. We got 3 songs. I haven't made like a Bladee Rip Squad type beat in a while. It's 2025. I'm so excited that we got some Bladee Rip Squad. So hopefully this is a good sign of that there's going to be more to come. Fingers crossed. Obviously Young Lean's about to drop an album as well. Thai Boy Digital touring in Australia in a couple months as well. It's all happening, so it seems like they're all doing their thing again. So today we're gonna make a 2025 Bladee type beat, Rip Squad style, lusi style. So yeah, let's do this. So I just dumped all 3 of the new songs into MP3 analyzer. All 3 of them are pretty similar tempo wise, all around like 140. This is 72, but that is essentially 144 if you double it. These 2 are in a pretty similar key as well. So this is A sharp. For me, like traditionally the Rip Squad key. That's how I've kind of learned like to make Rip Squad beats. I feel like that in A sharp, the 808 just like hits like really deep. I normally make like White Armor type stuff in like D or C major, so a little bit higher up. Anyway, let's take this information and go and use it. I'm just going to use like this SRX World. It's in the Rolling Cloud bundle. It's got some really nice textures. They're all sort of like traditional instruments from different cultures and stuff like that. So I end up going in A sharp major. This is my favorite chord progression for this style of music. It goes 1, 2, 3, and then it drops down to 7. And then I just use Serum Effects just for a delay because it was quick and easy to grab. I've also just duplicated this. I'm just going to freeze and flatten it, and then I can use it for a different texture. Maybe I can reverse it or something. So I just got this bank. It's a trance bank. I'm just going to select this pad. It's very like White Armor. That's a really good hack for Bladee stuff. Like obviously if you can go and download some like trance EDM stuff, they'll have that kind of like Euro dance music style. I just grabbed this shaper and pushed the drive a little bit just to make it sound a little bit more aggressive. I'm also finding this has some really good textures in it, so I'm just going to kind of layer those chords. So I went with this patch, just copied the MIDI over. Just adds like a nice organic texture to the top of it, fills out the chords a little bit. Alright, so I just designed this lead in Serum. Really like simple on the wavetable. There's not much going on this side. It's just more about the effects. It doesn't sound like amazing. This is the notes. Just bear with me. I'm going to try like resample it. This is the beauty of resampling things. It just completely changes them. Sometimes it pays when you're not getting the result that you want. Throw it in a sampler and see what you can come up with, because the result can be like completely different. This is the most important thing to creating like the Bladee kind of swing. Wherever the clap lands, just leave the hi-hat out. So it's like there's like a gap, and for whatever reason, it just has like a certain swing to it. And it just sounds Bladee. We're just going straight for the Zaytoven 808, not doing any like complex patterns or anything like that. One thing that's different with Rip Squad 808 patterns that I've noticed to give it more of a distinct sound is like this note here. Traditional like trap beats or whatever, the 808 will kind of hit here. If you push it over a bit, it just has like this Bladee sound about it. So that's it for the beat. You know, I've added in a few sort of percussive hits and stuff. Just went through and arranged it a little bit. I will do an arrangement video, by the way. A few people have been commenting. I'll post one of them soon. Let me know what you reckon of this beat. If you want to get a copy of this project file, it'll be up on my Patreon, so go check that out. It's included in the membership along with all of my other project files, my stash kit, loot packs. So go check that out if you want to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.